Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do an unboxing from the Poppy Willow company. I am so excited about this. I am a PR gal for her and you can find a link below that will give you 15% off, and if you use the code, which is TT.Scraps 15, you will also get a free exclusive sheet. So it's very exciting, and this is my PR package. She had told me not to order anything from her new line because she was going to be sending stuff to me. So I was glad she told me, because I would have ordered, because I love this stuff, which is why I PR for her, because I truly love her shop. She has the cutest stickers and they are beautiful with their foiling. So this is her business card. It is just gorgeous, and you can find her at PoppyWillowCo.com. So check her out there, and I'm going to leave this right here, hopefully, so that you guys can see it if you need to. And this says new releases only at PoppyWillowCo.com, and this is just a cute little Christmassy joy, love, and then these are 2 planners. And this is the exclusive TT.Scraps 15 sheet that you will get for using my discount code. Oh my goodness, already I'm excited. Seriously, it makes me so happy to see these. This is beautiful. It's holographic. Oh my gosh. I hope that this camera is picking up the beauty. It is so pretty. So she gives you day stickers or date stickers. And this is her Winter Wishes kit. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's holographic and just gorgeous. This snowman is so cute, and so is the coffee. All of them are just beautiful. I cannot tell you how pretty these are. Oh my goodness. And her kits are so big. There's so many things in them. You'll see. Look at this washi. Oh my gosh. So all of these are cut so that they're washi. And it has 2 strips of washi with the pretty bows. Oh my gosh. I mean, it literally, with the lights in here, it literally hurts my eyes to look at that because it's so holographic and just beautiful. And then here is a sheet of half boxes and quarter boxes. And then this one has the day of the week stickers and all of the functional stickers and little, just draw attention to the date thing. I don't know what to call it. These are just gorgeous. I know I keep saying that, but I don't know what else to say. I haven't even been saying cute because these are so pretty. And then this is all of the little headers. And these are some full boxes and some decorative stickers, her weekend sticker, planner sticker, just beautiful. Hopefully that's picking up too, because these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And then, and that's not it. You also get a box of check boxes, or a page of check boxes. So these are just gorgeous, and the snowflakes are different. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets and a thing of dates per kit. I mean, it is a huge kit that you can definitely get more than 1 week out of. If you have multiple planners, you can get multiple uses that way. However you like to do it, these are amazing. And here is another kit. Oh my goodness, this is called Magical Dreams. Look at this with the beautiful horse and the flowers and the castle. Oh, look at that. Oh, these are so pretty. And then there's snowflakes. So these would be good for both December and January, at least where I live in the Northern Hemisphere. You know, if you lived in Australia, then you would want to use these in what we call the summertime. Jess, I'm thinking of you. But these are so, so pretty. So, so pretty. gosh, I love those bows. They're so cute. These kits are so, you could even, I think, you could use these a little bit interchangeably, especially with the bows, if you wanted to. Yeah, they both actually have bows. So, I mean, I don't know, if you wanted to do that, you could even mix and match a little bit and have even more than 2 kits. I mean, have more than, I mean, I can't even guess how many you could make. There's headers, and these are her beautiful decorative stickers, and these full boxes, and her weekend sticker. And then, oh my goodness, look at these check boxes. They have heart check boxes, and then the little pictures are in each box. Well, almost each box, but they're beautiful. So, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Girl. I'm not even kidding. And then here's one with a dark background for the numbers. And this is called the Holly Jolly Kit, and it is one of my favorites. This was definitely going to be ordered. She gave me so much. Look at how pretty these are. The holly is just unbelievable. So for me, I will definitely use this one in December. Oh my gosh. 'Tis the season. Oh my goodness. Holly Jolly. I'm going fast over the functionals because I want to get to the pretties. That's the way I work. And then here are the beautiful day of the week stickers. These are some of the prettiest I've ever seen. I am not even kidding. Her stickers are just gorgeous. Thank you so much for sending these to me. I am honored and thrilled that I get to be a PR gal for you. So pretty. I only hope I can do them justice for you. And then look at this one. This one is called Winter Wishes. And this is her monthly kit. I was like, wait a minute. Oh my gosh. So this is a monthly kit. So I might use this one for January. But look how cute this is. You could even use it for February. So this goes on the month. And it comes with washi for the month. And then like for the header or whatever. And then it comes with quarter boxes, half boxes, some check boxes for the month. Then you can use whatever month you want to because it comes with every one of them. And then it also comes with the days of the week. So you can fix this however your planner is. If it starts on a Monday, if it starts on a Sunday, she's got you covered. I love that. And then here are all of the day of the week stickers. And then there's all these little words, which I don't know if you can read them all, but they say shopping, canceled, important, date night, happy mail. And then these are paydays, and these are bill due flags. And then here is some more washi. And it is just beautiful. So there's enough to do your monthly spread with the washi at the top and the bottom. And these are all cut into boxes. So if you put this on the top, then you can put these on the bottom. And like depending on how the week starts is how many of these boxes you would need to use. She has it worked out amazingly. And then these are extra washis. And look at how she has this on this beautiful paper. It's just, she doesn't miss a beat. So then this one is the same. So you could put the washis, one on the top of that month and one on the bottom of this month, or however you wanted to do it. It's just beautiful. And I will hopefully do this with you guys so you will see. And she's given me 2 of these. One is, one was in the last PR kit that she sent to me. And I think that one is Christmassy too, if I remember right. Or not Christmassy, but I think it might be Christmassy. I don't know, but I mean, it's awesome that you can use these for whatever month. That's my point, because it's just amazing that you don't have to pick. And if you were in Australia and you wanted to use this when it's August and winter for you, you certainly can. It's amazing. She just does the kits upright. So I can't say enough great things about them. Please head over there, let her know that I sent you by using my code. Again, that's TT.Scraps, and this is the PoppyWillowCo.com. Everything is down below, and I hope that you enjoy. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.